Want to study abroad, gain global exposure, and kickstart an amazing career? I know what you are thinking. Studying abroad sounds expensive, right? Well, what if I told you that you can get a world-class education under 5 lakhs? Yup, it is totally possible. Today I am sharing the top 5 countries where you can study affordably, soak in vibrant cultures, and set yourself up for success. Let's dive in. First one is Finland, known for its innovative and student-focused education. Finland encourages critical thinking and practical learning. Tuition fees can be as low as 10,000 for some programs in the field of science and technology, with the living cost of 8 lakhs per year. Plus, you get a 2-year post-study work visa. Top universities such as University of Helsinki and Aalto University offer programs under 5 lakh with the help of scholarship. The Aalto University provides 50 to 100% tuition fee waiver for international students, while the University of Helsinki International Scholarship can grant up to 15,000 euro per semester for masters. Both scholarships are merit-based, so you should apply them along with your application to maximize your savings. Next up, Taiwan, a leader in science and technology education. Taiwan offers affordable programs such as electronic engineering and computer science, with average tuition fees of 3 lakh and living costs around 6 lakh. You should get a 1-year post-study work visa also. Studying at National Taiwan University or National Tsinghua University, both offering English taught programs under 5 lakh. Grab the MOE Taiwan scholarship up to 40,000 Taiwanese dollar per semester plus monthly stipend, or the Taiwanese ICDF scholarship that cover full tuition fees plus provide 12,000 Taiwanese dollar monthly for living cost. Just to show strong academics and apply through your local Taiwan embassy. Third, Denmark, with zero tuition fees for European Union and non-European students for selected programs like MBA and MCA, with living cost around 8 lakhs, and you get a 3-year post-study work visa. University of Copenhagen and all available English taught programs. Scholarships like Danish government scholarship that cover full tuition fees plus provide 6,090 Danish krone monthly, and Erasmus Mundus joint masters that cover tuition fees plus living expenses are perfectly for master's students. To grab that, you must apply with a solid academic record. Number 4. Spain, with the tuition fees as low as 1 lakh and living costs around 9 lakh. Spain blend affordable education with vibrant culture. English taught programs are on the rise, and learning Spanish boosts your global career. The University of Granada and the Complutense University of Madrid offer programs under 5 lakh. Scholarships include the Spanish government scholarships, which provide tuition fees plus living cost. The next one is Santander Scholarship that provide up to 5,000 euro for mobility. Check eligibility, especially if you are from Latin America and Asia. Finally, Luxembourg. This small country offers innovative programs and small class size. Average tuition fees is 38,000 Indian rupees with living cost around 10 lakhs and a 1 year of post-study work visa. The University of Luxembourg is the go-to for affordable programs under 5 lakh. Scholarships like government-funded scholarships that provides 10,000 euros per year for master's program, and the Guillermo Osma scholarship that gives up to 15,000 euro for research students are open to international students with excellent grades, perfect for the personalized academic journey. Your gateway to an affordable world-class education under 5 lakh with the top universities like University of Helsinki, National Taiwan University and more, plus scholarships. Your study abroad dream is closer than ever. Need guidance? EduNirvana can help you with the application and scholarship. Drop a comment, tell me which country you are excited about, and hit the like button and subscribe for more. Catch you in the next video.